So ito yung mga list of courses natin. So we have the radio access network, okay, and then yung OpenFlow, cloud computing, edge computing, and then ito yung mobile network systems approach. Okay, so it's still under the foundational courses. So meron pa tayong dalawa na natitira. Okay. So ito yung buong courses ni OpenRun. And then going back to the World Learning Hub. So before you access the course, you need to have this account na I hope na na-access yun, ano. And pagdating yung Learning Hub, lalabas yan dito sa um, courses, no, list of courses. So you just click the course, 5G mobile networks. Okay. So ito yung makikita niyo sa 5G. Okay, hold on na. Yan. So the course is designed to run for in asynchronous mode, 9 hours, 26 minutes and 6 seconds. Yung time duration dahil mahaba siya because of the exercises, assessments, assignments, and quizzes. But if you look at the videos are only designed to run for around 3 minutes, okay? Some 3 minutes, and this one's 5 minutes because there is a quiz designed to take around 10 minutes, no? So, unahin natin yung i-run natin yung laman ng course. So, the name of the course is 415 5G Mobile Network Systems Approach. So, I will be your instructor here, Richard Matias. And these are top details. Course description. It offers an in-depth exploration of the FNB mobile networks, the underlying principles, key technologies, and this course will also cover the wide range of topics, including the mobile economy, 5G performance targets, use case families, spectrum utilization, services, techniques, and role of the GPP in standardizing the 5G. And the students will gain comprehensive understanding of 5G systems, also the EU-TRAN or the LTE descriptions, but on the high level only. Massive MIMO and the relationship between 5G and Open RAN. Okay, so you can see it will transition going to Open RAN as well. There's no prerequisite to take this course, and online meeting times, siguro i-open ko na lang yung ano mas. Yeah. Online meeting times but yeah, in our weekly webinars. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session of this course, the students or the learner is able to identify the fundamentals of 5G, okay, and their role in the mobile economy. And then the student will also identify the key performance targets and use case families associated with 5G technology, and comprehend the importance of 5G spectrum, services, and techniques in developing next generation networks. And then you will also be able to recognize the role of the 3GPP or the third generation partnership project in sizing 5G systems and the evolution of EU-TRAN. And the student will also differentiate the beamforming principles and the significance of massive MIMO in 5G networks. And you will also analyze the key 5G technologies such as the network slicing, edge computing, the NFV, and the SDN, and distinguish between control and the user plane functions and their implications in 5G networks. And then you will also evaluate the functional split options and their impact on network architecture and performance. And lastly is to evaluate the relationship between the 5G and Open RAN and their potential integration benefits. Okay. So the required materials, yeah, the content of this course is based on course notes, ebooks, white papers, and videos uploaded. So you can see the list of resources. Videos for this course are also available in the LMS. Okay, you can also access the slides, okay, the links, the materials used in developing this course. The minimum technology requirement, you need to have an internet connection, at least more than 2 Mbps. Internet browser, just Google Chrome, and then you have to have access to the SimWorld Learning Hub. You can access it using your computer or laptop. Computer skills and digital information literacy skills requirement. At least the student knows how to use Microsoft Windows and Office such as Word and PowerPoint. Okay. And now we'll move on to the course format and expectation. So this syllabus contains the policies and expectations established for introduction to radio access networking after this 5G. The courses is designed to have a hybrid course format. So there's a synchronous and asynchronous mode. And for the asynchronous mode, it will be less than 10 hours as you previously saw. And if we map this, I have this Excel file. So this is the summary of the course material. So it'd be easier for you to see the whole map of course when you try to take the course. So we have 18 tasks. You go to the Learning Hub. So it will start with the course introduction to 5G, and then what is 5G, the mobile economy, 5G performance targets, use cases, spectrum services and techniques, what is 3GPP, 5G system, EU-TRAN description, beamforming and massive MIMO, 5G key technologies, control plane and user plane, functional split options, split 7 and 8, and then 5 and then we'll have the key learning points and some learning activities. So in between of the following topics, you will have the corresponding assessments. So after the 5G, what is 5G? There is a quiz. It's composed of 5 items, one point each item. After 5G use cases, family, you will have quiz number 2 with 8 points. Forming MIMO will have the quiz 3. Functional split 7 and 8, you have the quiz 4. 5G and Open RAN, you'll have the quiz 5. So overall is 25 points. Then after the learning activities, you'll have an assignment. I'll show you what assignment all about. So that is equivalent to 25 points. Okay. And project, there's a project as well. So you have to take the project for 25 points, and then final exam 25 points. So this final exam is 25 items, 1 point each. So a total of 100 points. Now let's go back to the Learning Hub. Back to the Learning Hub. So this is the course 1, no? So this is the introduction. And you can see the videos. So you can see the videos, recorded sessions. Okay. And then you will see na medyo ano lang yan, mga short videos lang yan. No? So 3 minutes. Ito kaya ito nagiging 15 minutes because of the quiz. So I allocate 10 minutes to take the quiz. So 2 minutes per question. Okay, so you have 5 questions. So additional 10 minutes per quiz, short quiz. Okay, and then 3GPP, okay, system, 5G system, EU-TRAN, so for the LTE, beamforming, so you will have the antenna system, beamforming, and massive MIMO. Ito na yung medyo mahaba, no? Okay, so Yes, so you have the 5G performance target. Nasa ba tayo? Beamforming, no? Ayan. So mahaba lang yung discussion because we are introducing a new concept of the beamforming techniques and the massive MIMO antenna. Next, 5G key technologies. You will learn here the frequency, transmission mode, and architecture, and the voice services and locations. Control plane and user plane, which also discussed in the SDN course. You will have the functional split. Is introductory pa lang, no, functional split, but will be discussed further dun sa course ni Dr. Josil sa deep dive into ORAN, no, architecture. And we have the Open Run. Ayan. And then you have learning things. So you will download 5G mobile network slide. Nandito yung slide natin. No? And the learning is, it run to 6 hours. Depende sa bilis gumawa ng mga assignments and projects. And you have the learning activities. And meron pang 5 quiz, no? Pero it's not part of the assessment. Just like testing your knowledge lang. Parang warm up before you take the final exam. When you click at the assessment, ito yung mga assessments na. Ayan. So you have an assignment. Yung mga quizzes na muna yan. So meron tayong mga 5 quizzes, no? Each ano. So yun yung 5 quizzes natin. And then let's go to assignment. Yung assignment natin, simple yung assignment natin. Ito yung ating description and instruction. So just read the instructions. So you will explore the 5G in your local area, no? So you will identify and document the presence and impact of 5G in your local area. So kung meron na bang 5G sa area niyo or wala pa, no? So the assignment will seek to understand the current status of your 5G in your locality. So yung task is 5G presence. No? Check your mobile network indicators or use a network diagnostic app katulad ng GNetRack. Ayan, so you can use an app. It's a free app. It's a GNetRack. And identify if 5G, no, is available in your area. So you can also check the local service providers if you are using Smart or Globe, okay? If they're offering 5G in your area. And then document any promotions or advertisements. So if you go for Smart, pag meron kayong app ni Smart, nandun yung unlimited 5G, okay? Ano yung price nila para at least alam niyo yung maging aware kayo, no, sa how the operators are offering the services, the new services of 5G to their existing subscribers. So katulad ni Smart, meron siyang unlimited G or probably for a day or a week. And then mas mura ba yung 5G niya compared sa unlimited data? Kasi magkaiba yung offering ni Smart, no? Katulad yung sa example na sasabi ko. Kaiba yung offering niya kung 5G, unlimited 5G or data. Data. Then you will document this and you will also conduct a brief online survey yan, with friends. Yan. So, tignan anong impact sa kanila ng 5G. Just like I mentioned, sa student ko sa Terahertz, when we were taking sa BGC, sabi sa akin, sir, ano ba pagkakaiba ng 5G at LTE sa isang subscriber? Sabi ko, it depends kung nasaan yung subscriber. Like for example, nandito kami sa isang coffee shop sa BGC. Nag-demo ko kanya ng speed test. So what I did, pinush ko yung LTE lang. So tinanggal 5G. Naka-LTE lang ako. No? Kada po, no? And then I perform a speed test. And then ako akong speed. And that the coffee shop is 150 Mbps. Ganun kabilis yung LTE dun sa BGC. And then when I try to demo yung 5G naman, so I switch from LTE to 5G with the same phone, ang nakuha namin is nasa 10 Mbps. Mabilis, no? So I asked my student, so what do you think yung implications, no, nung speed ng LTE with 150 Mbps versus 300 Mbps? So ang sabi niya sa akin, looks like parang ano lang, parang pareho lang kasi parehas, in which sa isang subscriber na ang kailangan lang niya is around 2, 5 or 10 Mbps sa mga applications like YouTube, Facebook, no, or Instagram. They don't need to have I think 100 Mbps lalo kapag mobile. So yung differentiator ng uh, paggamit ng technology for each subscriber is kaiba, no? Katulad nung pinakita ko sa kanya. So you will also get that assignment, no? So ask some of your friends kung ano ba nila sa 5G. Is it really beneficial? Is it kailangan ba ng 5G as a subscriber or not, no? Kasi sometimes when technology would like to pull subscribers, now we don't want to, like for example, no, what I mean is pag bumili ka ng bigas, for example, ang presyo ng bigas is 20 pesos, 50 pesos per kilo, no? And then suddenly biglang bumaba yung presyo to 20 pesos per kilo. Hindi naman dadami yung kakainin nung ano, di ba? Nung tao. Kumbaga, uy, from 50 pesos per kilo, isang pinggan yung kinakain ko. And then nung naging 20 pesos per kilo, kakain ba ako ng tatlong pinggan na kanin? Hindi naman, di ba? So, it depends, no? Sa ano, sa area kung saan mo ibibigay yung 5G technology. So, yeah, see it for yourself, no? Kung ano yung mga feed, no, ng mga friends nyo or family about 5G. Okay, so about the perceived benefits and challenges. So if they have some, mas mabilis ba yung 5G? Because we hear sometimes na may mga students ako na sabi, pag naka 5G ako sa mas mabagal pa sa LTE, no? So yun sin ba may mga instances na gano'n, ano? Na parang naka 5G yung phone mo pero pag nag-speed test ka mas mabagal compared sa LTE. Okay, so later on we will be discussing it, some possible reasons bakit nangyayari yan. And challenges, okay? And then reflection, so you will base your findings. So you will write a one-page reflection. Okay, so medyo may konti tayong no? Reflection dito. So una is 5G prevalent in your area? Ayan yung mga question. Meron bang 5G sa inyong area? And then ano yung mga local sentiments towards it? Kailangan ba natin yan? Mas mabilis ba talaga yan? Okay. Kailangan ko ba ng technology na to or sapat na sa akin ng LTE? Okay? And then personal opinions on its impact and future in your locality. So kung magkakaroon ng 5G sa inyong area, what would be the possible impact? We would like to know that. This is very reflection because there are people that they don't want to upgrade, no? Because they're happy with the existing technology they have. Especially if they are not aware of the possible benefits in the future, no, or possibilities ng bagong technology. Okay? So your submission is to have 2 to 3 page, okay, document and then detailing findings and relevant screenshots or images. Yeah. Okay, so this is also a preparation for you, no? That for example, if you want to propose a 5G network, a community network, or a campus network using 5G, so you also have, it will be helpful to have this exercise as well. Okay, so if you use a 5G network in your university, to have this university network, makikita nyo, kailangan nyo ba ng 5G or Wi-Fi is enough. Yeah. Okay, so that is your the description of your assignment in this 5G course. Okay. Next is you have the final exam. So yung final exam is 25 questions. No? So, madali lang yan. Ano? Hindi yan tricky. Okay. So, straight to the point. No? Mostly ang mga questions natin ay situational lang. Okay. Situational like which of the services of 5G will use URLLC use case, no? Ito ba yung remote surgery, okay, V2X, yan. So makikita sa buong course. Hindi siya yung kabisado mo yung data, okay, or yung value. It's more on the concept and principles ng technology. Okay, so madali lang yung ating final exam. So you don't need to worry. Next is you have a project. Okay, so project is 25 points. And this project is you're allowed to submit three attempts. Okay. And then project deadline is 2020. Binigyan ko lang ng deadline, ano? Para at least may deadline kasi kapag ka moving target medyo mahirap. So by next year, December 31, 2024. Pero siyempre, earlier the better. So yung description nung ating project is this one, ano? Yan. So it's a mini 5G mini, so somewhat sa sa assignment natin. Pero kasi yung assignment is sa reflection. Yung ano yung nakikita mo, ano yung nafi-feel mo, ano yung nafi-feel ng mga tao. But this one is the real world application objective. Yan. So you will investigate a specific real world application of 5G. You will identify, no? Ano ba ang pwedeng magandang real world application? Okay, so this will include, of course, research. Okay, meron akong mga resources and then understanding its significance and technical underpinning. So the description is, so you will explore a chosen 5G application. So you will of different 5G applications. You will learn the 5G applications pagkatapos yun ng course because it will be discussed into detail. You can have this MMTC application, the massive machine type communication, so using IoT. You will have the ultra reliable or low latency communications apply sa mga critical communication systems, and then vehicle to everything, remote surgery, okay? And then you will have the detail its impact and benefits, challenges, and technological components enabling it. Okay? For example, magkasama-sama na yan. To have application sa isang university network, and then you like to conduct some series of test labs, no, sa inyong university network. So pwede rin naman kayo magkabit ng mga CCTV cameras or IP cameras, okay? And that requires servers, no? So you will see also yung mga implications ng mga previous discussions like edge server or cloud edge computing, and then cloud computing, and then yung mga radio access network. So you will see here yung mga possible applications ng mga previous courses, no, sa foundational courses natin. The structure would be you have introduction, so brief on 5G. So you will have this chosen 5G application. Ano yung mga application na gusto nyong pag-aralan? Should be smart cities, like traffic management, okay, healthcare, remote surgeries, 5G entertainment, augmented reality games, 5G in transportation, autonomous vehicles. Okay, so those are the samples of chosen 5G application. Okay, so 5G in application. So 5G, why are you using 5G instead of Wi-Fi? Why you are choosing 5G instead of LTE? Okay, so why are you choosing 5G compared with other wireless connectivity? Okay, and then what will be the change, since the implementation? So if you're in your community or in university network, you have a Wi-Fi network. What will be the change, if you will implement the 5G? So it's just like a before and after. So kapag dati meron lang tayong connections, nakaka-connect tayo sa website natin. But if we go for 5G, we can do some different applications. Katulad ng ginagawa sa Singapore, University of Technology and Design. So dun sa university nila, connected yun ng 5G, yung buong network nila, campus nila. And they can do some use cases na-develop sila ng mga drones, drone applications. They-develop sila ng mga drones, ano yung mga different applications using 5G. Meron silang unmanned robots na connected sa 5G. Okay, so and then meron silang mga artificial intelligence, yung metaverse connection, okay, connectivity, and then all of those are connected sa kanilang university 5G network. Okay, so, and yung isa naman is this sample laboratory that you can use to teach yung mga students nyo, pagdating sa 5G system. Okay? And then you have these tech components. So what are the 5G features that you will utilize? Yan, ano yung mga possible, Makikita sa courses kasi if you need a massive IMO or free is needed, na pwede gamitin sa use case na napili mo. Okay, are you using MTC use case or URLLC use case or EB use case, or the combination? And then you will address the technical challenges. So challenges that you might encounter when you try to implement. Habang frequency, yung mahal ba yung equipment, yung technical know-how be your challenge. So you can identify, So it's good exercise din kasi before implementing, even though you have a good idea, what are the positives that might restrict from implementing it? And what benefits? Yan. Benefits. So it should be a quantifiable gains. Like speed. For example, ngayon, pagka nag-test ako sa mga university anak ko naming speed is nasa 1 Mbps. And if we go for 5G, it go up to 10 Mbps or 20 Mbps. So it's a quantifiable gain. So makikita nyo ilang percent yung magiging natin. Qualitative benefits. Yan. So user experience. Yan. So yung mga estudyante will have good and seamless activity kasama yung mga faculties. Just to state some benefits. Challenges, okay, so you have the hurdles during implementation and the current limitations. And then you have the conclusion, the study recap, what are the recap and the future prospects. Okay. And then you have the reference topic. So you can either use the 5G smart cities, like traffic management, 5G in healthcare, like remote surgeries. Kahit hindi remote surgeries, baka masyadong advanced itong remote surgeries. But one of the use case na tinitignan ngayon is sa mga healthcare or sa mga hospitals is that you connect them using 5G. And then yung mga patients, magkakaroon sila ng IoT devices. Yung mga dating may nakasulat na pangalan mo, So ngayon is naka-IoT ka na and connected ka sa 5G network, and hospitals can have your data or patient's data doon sa kanilang pinaka-system. So makikita mo oras ka iinom ng gamot, ano yung mga gamot mo, no? So kapag nag-transition yung mga nurses, hindi nila babasahin, no? Tingnan nila sa computer, ito pala, no? Si Juan ano pala, si Juan Balagtas pala is kailangan ng ganitong gamot at this specific time. Ayan. So makikita agad nila yan. 5G entertainment, 5G transportation, autonomous vehicles. So evaluation criteria in your project is research quality. Okay. Of course, looking at the depth and relevance, content presentation, plan coherence, technical insight, understanding the 5G components, real world connection. Okay, so linking to on these are the four. So hindi ko pala nalagay dito, no? Yung but this would be 25, 25, 25, 25. Yeah, may ligay ako sa 20, 20% yung criteria natin. Okay? Report is minimum 5 pages. So that's not really or I3 style, no? But Word file for the meantime. And then presentation, if you put it in the PowerPoint presentation, it could only go up to 10 to 15 minutes, no? You don't need to discuss it in an hour. So naglagay ako initial timeline, but it depends on you how you will implement it. But the initial proposed timeline is 7 days. So day 1 is topic selection, day 2 and 3 is for the research, day 4 and day 5 for the draft, and day 6 is for the refining yung mga contents, and then day 7 submit and press. Okay. So we'll use different resources, articles, reports, online search platforms. I will recommend you to use this 5G that approach.org. Ayan. Okay.